What if I told you that your biggest failure could become your greatest strength? That rock bottom isn't the end, it's actually the foundation for your comeback. Today, I'm sharing the 3 life-changing principles that helped thousands rebuild their lives after losing everything. And trust me, if they can do it, so can you.
Hey everyone! Whether you're here because life knocked you down or you're supporting someone who's struggling, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into real comeback stories that prove one thing: your past doesn't define your future. So grab a cup of coffee and let's talk about turning your pain into power.
Turning pain into power. First up, transforming pain into power. Here's the truth. Pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. Take Oprah Winfrey, for example. Born into poverty, faced abuse, teenage pregnancy, yet she transformed that pain into purpose, becoming one of the most influential people on earth. The key? She didn't hide from her pain. She acknowledged it, learned from it, and used it as fuel. Your pain gives you a unique perspective that nobody else has. It's your superpower waiting to be activated. Action step: write down 3 lessons your hardship taught you. These aren't just scars, they're your wisdom badges.
Mental resilience after failure.
Now let's talk about bouncing back mentally. When J.K. Rowling was a single mom on welfare, rejected by 12 publishers, she had every reason to quit. But she developed what I call elastic thinking, the ability to bend without breaking.
Mental resilience isn't about being tough all the time. It's about accepting that setbacks are temporary, focusing on what you can control, taking one small step forward each day.
Remember, you're not starting from zero. You're starting from experience. That failed business, you learned what doesn't work. That broken relationship, you discovered your worth. Every setback equipped you with knowledge others pay thousands to learn.
Inspirational real-life comeback stories.
Let me share Sarah's story, a viewer who messaged me last month. After losing her job, home, and marriage within 6 months, she felt hopeless. But instead of giving up, she started volunteering at a local shelter. That volunteer work led to a job opportunity, which led to a new career in social work. Today, she helps others navigate their darkest moments.
Or take Colonel Sanders, rejected 1,009 times before KFC became a success at age 62. These aren't superhuman people. They're regular folks who refuse to let their circumstances write their ending.
Here's what I want you to remember. Rock bottom is solid ground to build on. Your comeback story is being written right now with every choice you make today. You're not behind, you're exactly where you need to be to create something amazing. Your action plan. Embrace your story, all of it. Take one small step forward today. Help someone else who's struggling. Drop a comment below sharing what you're overcoming. This community is here to support you. And if this video helped, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Remember, your mess is becoming your message, and your test is becoming your testimony.
You've got this. I believe in you. See you in the next video.
You might never fail on the scale I did, but some failure in life is inevitable. It is impossible to live without failing at something, unless you live so cautiously that you might as well not have lived at all, in which case you fail by default.